check. 8:25. Ngayon lang ako bumangon, ka-blessed. And then, ang ating asawa is papunta na siya ng Perth. Nasa aeroplano na. Pauwi na siya ngayon. Alam mo yun, parang nakakatamad. Minsan lang kasi pagan mo eh. Nauubos din. So, mamaya na lang ulit tayo mag-chika, ka-blessed. Anyway pala, yung video natin kahapon, hindi ko na-edit kagabi. Hindi ko na siya na-edit. So, wala tayong upload pa. Kung matapos ko yung gawain ko ngayon, maka-upload ako din. Mapapanood nyo yung ating video kahapon. Hindi ko alam anong petsa ngayon, mga ka-blessed. 17? 17 ba ngayon? 18. Ay, 18 pala. 18. Today is April 18. Oo, 18. Thursday. Kasi Lunes pala yung birthday ni Moana. So, see you again later. Ay, antok pa talaga ako. Ang ating Moana is tulog pa. Actually, 6 o'clock dapat ako bumangon na. Gumising na. Kaya lang, ang Moana natin is nag-iyak na naman. So, bumalik ulit ako sa higaan. Yakap-yakap na yung braso natin. So, hindi na tayo nakaalis. Wala na. Ayan, cellphone na lang ako. Nag-throwback. Nakita yung mga picture dati. O siya, mamaya na lang ulit.
Mommy, like this.
Yeah, open it. Open it.
Mom, I gave you my box. Mommy, sit down.
Okay.
Sorry.
Just look to the blessed. Yeah. Like that. Hi, the blessed. I'm helping mommy.
Hi, the blessed and helping Mommy.
What is Moana doing?
I'm doing helping Mommy.
Okay, what? What is she doing?
I'm helping.
What is that?
Do laundry.
Very good. You're helping mommy doing laundry. Hey, good job.
This is
Oopsie.
Mommy.
Alala yung makulit eh. Bagong gising lang yan eh.
Stinky bum bum. Stinky yeah. Stinky bum bum.
So, ang gagawin na lang ika-blessed is balis ng sahig at saka punas sahig. Then mamaya ipapunta tayo ng shop. Bibili ng ulam. Para pagdating ng asawa natin is may ulam siya. All done?
Lost.
No more na? Okay, all good. Just leave it open. Did you open this?
No more.
Try you open it. Kasi ganyan siya, oh. Ay, you open it, eh.
Now we do the tea around.
Magsombrero tayo at ang init. As in. Yung laban natin is mainit na. Mga tanghali na kasi nagigising. No, ina. Don't play on it. So, see you later mga ka-blessed. Mga outfitan na naman natin. Ay, nako. And look at my assistant, Blessed. Look at ka, Blessed. Look at ka, Blessed. Sasama sa akin. Sasampay. Sa sombrero din siya.
My down.
Nice hat. Wow. Ang sombrero niya naiwan doon sa shop ka,
Find
Blessed.
my hat.
Yay.
Look, my sleeping.
Okay then, bye na.
Bye.
Tapos na magsampay ka, Blessed. Hindi pa nga ako nagkape. As in, hindi pa. Hinihintay ko pa din yung parcel ko ka, Blessed.
My monkey climbing. My monkey
Yung ating
climbing.
Timo order.
Mommy, mommy, monkey is climbing.
Ooh.
And monkey bumped your head. And then monkey scary. Mommy, and the monkey scary. Mommy,
Okay ka, Blessed. Hahaha, mag-a-unboxing tayo. Dumating ang ating Timo order. Ayan.
I make a train.
Ating Timo order dumating na. Ayan.
What's that? Is for mommy?
Yes.
This one
Let's
for dad.
open mga ka-Blessed.
My nose is itchy. My nose is itchy.
Surprise! What's inside?
Mommy, my nose is itchy.
Oo. Patangos ilong mo, anak. Your nose has become longer like Pinocchio.
Yeah. Itchy.
Tapos na ako maglinis ka,
This
Blessed.
one, this 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 one. Mommy, put out the classes and then put out the classes.
Yeah, this is for daddy glasses. This is for daddy.
That's a box.
Ayan. Dapat regalo namin sa kanya ang isa nito ka, Blessed. Regalo namin.
Box. Box.
Paano sa ito na unang mag-receive ng ating parcel kasi sa labas yan.
Box.
Kasi dumating ko na ako.
Box. 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 Mommy, what's that?
And then, ito yung
Mommy,
ating,
what's that?
it's mommy's kayamanan.
This one's for mommy?
Yeah, it's for mommy. Wow! It's for mommy. Yaman ka,
Mommy,
Blessed.
look at this.
Oh, wait. Ayan.
Mommy, look at that. Mommy, it's for the arm.
Sana hindi magano
Mommy, this
mag-fail.
one's for the
Kasi
arm.
acidic tayo.
Mommy, for the neck.
Yay! It's for the neck and for the
Mommy, this
arm.
one's for the neck. For the arm. Mommy, for the neck. Mommy, for the neck like this.
Yes.
Mommy, mommy, like this. Mommy,
Mhm.
like that.
Yes. Ay, no. It's for the arm.
Mommy,
And
for
then,
arm like this.
Kanyang
Mommy,
ilong.
like
Yes.
this. Mommy, this one's a tiny flap for mommy because it's so shiny.
So, yan
May
sa
gusto.
kondensyon. Ganyan.
Mommy, what's that?
It's a necklace.
Necklace?
Saka na natin ito no?
Mommy,
Saka na
it's
natin
so
ito
nice.
try on.
I like it.
Baka meron tayong
Like
ibang
this
vlog.
one's so shiny.
Yay!
Mommy,
Kasi ito siya. Nakuha ko ito
Mommy,
ka,
this
Blessed.
one's so
Kasi
shiny.
may discount.
Mommy, this one's for mommy.
Yes. For mommy.
What's that?
Jewelry set din siya. Hikaw, pintas, bracelet, at
Mommy, to
saka
open?
relo.
Mommy, to open the box?
May sing-sing din. Yeah, mommy will go to open the box. Wow!
Mommy,
Mommy will gonna sing.
what's that? These two ones.
May ka na siya ka side first?
This
The
one
picture.
for the car. Why this one for the car? For daddy's car. This
I will show
for.
you ka-blessed. Ano ito?
Who's that? Wow, it's new snake.
Dan! Kakanta tayo.
Mommy, wait.
Yeah, it's music.
Yeah. It's for the mouth. Why who's
Mhm.
that?
Yay!
Why who's that?
Yes, this is equalizer.
Mommy, what's that? Mommy, what's that? Mommy,
Ang
what's
mic
that?
natin. Ang kanyang pompom.
No.
And then,
Mommy, for the new snake.
yes, it's a music.
For the phone.
Yeah, Mama will gonna sing.
What's that?
So, ayan ang itsura na ka-blessed.
Mommy, yeah. Mommy, yeah. Yeah.
Ganyan.
Mommy, yeah. Mommy, look at this.
Yes, look at this.
Mommy, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, yeah.
Yes, that is not for the hand. Oh, don't break it. Or else it doesn't fit anymore.
Mommy, yeah.
Basta, hindi natin bubuksan kasi nga, kita niya yung laman.
Mommy, yeah.
Eh, regalo na rin sa kanya yun. Ngayon na lang bubuksan sa ayun niya. Sa kaarawan niya.
See? Mommy, who's Daddy? My uncle, what's this?
Let's open this later when Daddy is home, okay? So because we need to go shop.
You need to go shop.
Yeah, and buy food for Daddy.
My who's Daddy?
Buy food and buy milk.
My friend now.
Yes.
Oh,
You wanna buy milk for Daddy?
yes.
Okay then. You choose a milk for Daddy, okay? What milk do you want for Daddy? Huh? What milk do you want for Daddy?
I want the blue milk cow.
The blue milk house.
Never and the white and black dry.
Okay then, the blue milk house.
Mommy,
Time check. Is 12. Oh, 4.
I see the boat. I see that.
So yun na muna ang ating vlog sa ating parcel. Shopping muna tayo ka-blessed. Bibili tayo ng gatas ni Daddy. Tsaka na ako maliligo pagkatapos. May kanin pa kami kagabi. Napadami yung luto ko. So, initin ko na lang mamaya. Tapos na ilabahin ko. Mga basahan ko. Ang pinaka-major naman na trabaho ka-blessed yun. Punas ng sahig kasi mano-mano ko sa ginagawa. Ay, yung kinakamay ko. Gamit ko kamay ko. So, yan. Pag yun kasi gamit ko basahan, madali matuyo. Yun, si Moana, hindi sa makakapaglandi doon. Pag yung map kasi, tagal matuyo kasi basang-basa, diba? Ako, si Moana, bumabakat ang paa doon. Wala din. Pangit din tingnan. Kakainis pag ganun, may bakat-bakat. Tapos na akong maligo ka-blessed. Yan. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog pagbalik namin sa grocery sa shop. At ang ating bata nagmaon na naman. Suot natin ating headband. Ating blondie na headband. Ay, dark brown pala. So, ayan. Ito yung pala yung bilhin natin sa shop. Yun, roasted chicken. So, naging traditional na namin eh. Every time na uuwi si Daddy galing sa work, yan ang gusto niyang ulamin. Kasi sa trabaho niya, walang ganyan. Then yung kanin natin, initin natin. Initin nga natin. Initin natin. So, simula kaninang umaga, pagising. Tanghali na kami. Tanghali na ako bumangon kasi simuha na nga. Hindi ako nagkape, hindi ako nag-almusal. Kasi nga, nagtrabaho muna. So, ayan. Hindi din ako naka-edit. So, yung kahapon na vlog natin, hindi ko na-edit ngayon. Hopefully naman. At balak ko sana mag-edit ngayon. Kaya nasa baka balat na tayo. Anong oras na? We are waiting for our daddy.
Mommy's got here.
Hmm? Walang punda ang uno kasi nga nalabhan. Tuyo, nakastuyo naman na yun. Hindi ko palang kinuha.
Mommy, yeah.
You sounds like a monkey.
Yes.
Are you a monkey?
Yes.
Uh-oh. Where's Moana?
I got more Moana. Mommy, Daddy's here. Daddy's here. Hurry up.
Yeah, Daddy is home.
Rubble.
Oh,
This one's the strawberries.
wow.
And this one's green.
Do you want peanuts?
No games.
No, thanks. Okay, then no peanuts.
Daddy.
Close your eyes daw ka, blessed. Ano kaya yun? Yes? Yes?
Mommy, close your eyes.
Yes, close my eyes.
Are your eyes closed?
Yeah.
Open your eyes.
See?
Bigyan mo ang mo.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Mommy wants you.
Daddy.
Yay!
Daddy!
Let's go sing!
Yeah.
Mommy can sing.
Yay!
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh,
Daddy. Yeah.
yes, Shafy. Yay.
afternoon, ka-blessed. This is your DJ Diman. Welcome to Malala na Kaya. O, diba? May paganito na tayo, ka-blessed. Ay, sorry. Nakita ako itong...
I want
Umpisahan na natin, mga ka-blessed. Sound check, sound check. It's too many.
don't see.
Ito yung in-order natin sa Temu, ka-blessed.
Mommy, I want.
You want? I guess this is $35.
Mommy, I want this. I see.
You want to sing?
Mommy, I want baby shark.
Sige, then sing.
Baby shark.
Taray, lakas makaano. Lakas makaloko. Oh. Akala mo to. Yung feeling po may ganito ka na, grabe, sige na ba? Blonde yung buhok natin. Yung headband natin, suot-suot ko na. Pinaghandaan natin ang ating live sa ating YouTube channel soon. Please be with me, mga ka-blessed. Doon sa mga YouTube subscribers ko. Attend kayo.
I don't know what program to use too.
We both don't know.
It's up.
Gabi na ka-blessed at hindi pa naayos yung ating microphone set. Maybe mamaya. Salamat sa panonood. Medyo maiksi lang yung vlog natin ngayon. Wala masyadong mga ganap-ganap. Sa bahay lang tayo. So, salamat sa panonood. Thank you. Ang ating buhok na in-order sa Temu. Sa online, ayan. Wala itong bangs yung headband lang. Abangan nyo next day yung bangs naman. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Tapos na ako maghugas ng plato. Punasan ko na lang yan mamaya-maya. Inaantok na ako. God bless you, mga ka-blessed. Thank you.